Welcome to SY0501 Security Plus. The topics of this video are segregation, segmentation, and isolation from Section 5B2. Segregation, segmentation, and isolation describe the methods used to design and manage networks and network systems. These methods allow us to physically or logically organize systems to manage access control, security, and throughput. The first term to discuss is segregation. Segregation is the concept of separating a system or group of systems from the rest of the computer population. This allows specific management controls to be applied without affecting the others. This is generally accomplished by using access control lists, and an example is using routers to restrict traffic between segments. An additional example of segregation is in virtualization. Virtualization allows us to separate each virtual machine from all the other virtual machines residing on the physical host. This creates a solution where each VM has its own network channel and is unable to see traffic from any other virtual machine. The next term is segmentation. Segmentation is the process of dividing up the systems into their appropriate segments. Network segments allow all of the hosts attached to the segment to freely communicate with one another, but apply restrictions to communications to external systems. This segmentation may be performed either physically or logically. An example may be putting all of the servers on the first 10 ports of a switch, then creating VLANs for several departments that are based on MAC address. The final term is isolation. Isolation describes a situation where a system or network is physically separated or air-gapped from the other hosts or network. This means that it is unable to communicate and is generally protected from anything that would affect the main network. Air-gapping is frequently used to protect SCADA networks or to separate networks of varying classifications, as seen with NIPRNet versus SIPRNet in the Air Force. This has been a discussion of segregation, segmentation, and isolation.